Hello, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing well. So, today, what we have is some Georgette, some silk, some reds. I'm wearing red, yes. So, of course, this is available. This is our pure Katan silk fabric in this geometrical modern design. So, great for, of course, kurtas, jackets for men, women. Anyways, coming back to what other things that we're doing, we're going to talk about this a little more later. But we are going to be doing Georgette dupatta, silk fabrics, show them together, and that's what's up for today. And as I was saying, this is the red color. This is the pure Katan silk in this. These are great for kurtas, for men jacket, women jacket, and vest kind of a thing. I have, of course, these tassels made, with fabric. Look at this, all these tassels made. So yes, a lot of good things that you can do with these fabrics and these, designs. Many options. This is a red, of course, but if you like red, then this one's for you. But if you like a combination of red and something, then you're going to be seeing many combinations today. The first option that we're going to show you today is this. This is from our Spade, which are classic, the classic silk collection. And why we say it classic is because you will see that there are many options that work with such kurtas. Of course, this particular kurta is great for men and women because of the design, which is lines running through, and jackets as well. You can do a plain gold kurta for men, use these borders. You can do a plain gold kurta, we could give you the silk, and you could make a jacket out of it. Very elegant, very ivory kind of a look. And of course, for women, it's also very popular. I have worn my kurta so many times in front of you guys and shown you the option. Now look at this. This is the pure Georgette dupatta 2.5, 9,800 with this gold zari. And why I want to show you is because this combination together is really something which looks very nice. Now this one, we could of course give you a silk, which is the base, same as this plain silk. But something that I like with this is this kind of a stripe thing. So it adds a little, this weaving adds a little kind of a touch to it, makes a little more dressy, but still keeps it very simple and very muted. So this dupatta 9,800, this fabric 2,800 per meter. Many ways of using it. That's the first combination. Now the second thing what I want to show, and I have said it so many times earlier, is I love a red and a purple combination. And all that I did want to show you was this red kurta and this pure silk heavy jangla dupatta that we have. This has Sona Rupa work in Karwa, in Karwa, yes. And it's you can see it that it's spread all over. This dupatta is brilliant, and yes, it's really good with, of course, lehengas. So you can see that even if you use this fabric as a lehenga fabric, and you could, especially for lots of, I know a lot of you looking for your daughters, sisters, so yes, for all the young and young at heart, this combination is brilliant. I like this purple and red. We could also do a plain silk of this gold color or of this silver color or of this purple color with it, because really when you wear something like this, a piece like this, as a piece as grand as this, the ultimate statement is the dupatta. And yes, I would like that when wearing such pieces, you just focus on that one brilliant thing, and to make sure that you stand out, because we could do a plain silk of this kind in the same color. You could do a lehenga with it. You can wear this dupatta, just put up your hair, wear some nice earrings, and just look as gorgeous as you guys always do. So yes, just some idea of in the top of my head what I wanted to show you was with red, but I did think that vision that of wearing it with a plain silk was so grand and so beautiful. I think it would look amazing. So yes, many ways of wearing it. This dupatta 22,800, and let's go. So yeah, this combination is something. Let me show it to you. Yes, that of course this one is an ivory combination. Look at this. So if this is something that you want to wear matching the white silver, then some combination Tanchui silk fabric like this is also something you could do. But I would love a plain silk of this. We have two varieties of plain silk. Katan silk, which is I think 3,200 per meter, and we have Chinya silk, which is 1280 per meter, the plain ones. So yes, those both are an option. This is also an option. This is also an option, or maybe something you have is an option for you. So yes, and this is again, today we are doing a lot of classic fabrics which are great for mixing and matching, and this is one of them. So this is in Tanchui one, 3800. It has gold dots over it, and basically you can just wear any dupatta with it and it would look fab. So the one that I'm showing you is this mango color. It's a light, very light peachish oranges dupatta with it. It also has this gold zari. This is full length dupatta, pure georgette, 9800. Lovely to mix and match and lovely as a set. Look at this together. Also looks brilliant. You can wear it with this, you can wear it separately, you can get either of these in a way that you wish. Now the other combination that I wanted to show you was this color. This is a silk that we have recently stocked, very popular, with this Sona Rupa and this design in this haldi yellow color. Now haldi yellow is a color, I think, of course, traditionally we wear it for so many occasions. It's great to have these kind of kurtas which you can just kind of wear. Sometimes you can wear a silk dupatta, sometimes a georgette, sometimes you can wear a bandhni one. So very flexible. Great to have these kind of kurtas in your wardrobe, because then you can wear a number of combinations. Today what I'm going to show you is, of course, a silk combination with it, and this is the combination that I have in mind for this one. So this is a bottle green karwa dupatta in Sona Rupa, and you can see this is, it complements. This is also Sona Rupa, 3800 per meter. This one. Now this is great for lehengas, color that you can wear a specific, you can wear green, you can wear pink, you can wear red. So many dupattas that you can wear with it, but also this kind of a look that you can make with it. So I'm going to now open this dupatta and show it to you. Yes, as grand as they get. These are great for lehengas. As I keep saying, you can wear it. You can wear it with this kind of a red. You could make an anarkali out of it. Look at this brilliant, pop of color that this kind of red color brings to this kind of a dupatta. I think it looks rather nice. You could, in fact, even do, long jacket out of this, a plain silk kurta and a dupatta, and in contrasting color. So, it could work like that as well. So, many ways of wearing it. Look at this dupatta. Look at the tassels. So beautiful. This dupatta, we have the, the size is also written here. The width is 46 and the length is 90. So, look at that. And this combination, this is what I really wanted to show. I love this combination. Little dark, little muted, little combination which is a bright. So you could do this, you could do it with a red. Very different looks if you see them together. And there's another combination that I'm going to show you. Let me just show it to you here. So now 3 distinct looks with one dupatta. It's really manageable. It's manageable. You could wear them in many ways. And if you do have these treasures, and when you get all these treasures, I know you guys have a lot of them which you've bought from us, do think of wearing them in different ways, in different drapes. So many inspirations all around for different drape ideas. So do use them. And look at this, very muted, this one. This is a little bright, very sophisticated nevertheless. And this one is bright and full of colors and full of celebration. So you can see how 3 looks, 1 dupatta. Yes. So anyways, now let's do the combination that I was actually planning for this one, which is this georgette dupatta. Very elegant. Now this one is very elegant. This is a pure georgette dupatta. It's a full size dupatta with this gold, very flowy. But this one, now look at this. I like this combination with red. When, picking out, my team was wondering what to do with the, combination, and they said, why don't you kind of wear a cream? I said, why don't I wear a red instead, And you can see why I wore red, because just to show you how flexible these colors are. You wear a different dupatta, it starts to look very different, these looks. So, look at this. This is your pure georgette dupatta in a deep burgundy color. And this is a great combination. The gold matches perfectly with this Tanchui fabric. 9,800, 3,800 per meter. And look at this. Very elegant. Yes. but very different as well. Another combination here up for you, and this is a Sona Rupa dupatta in a mehndi green, now a typical mehndi green, and I did want to show you. And this combination I love with this red, so many different looks. You wear a cream, the gold looks different. You wear a red, it looks different. You wear a green or a yellow, and it looks very, very different. I love this combination with red. This is a Sona Rupa dupatta. You can see how it looks. You can see the look right here. It's a Sona Rupa 16,800, and it's a pure Georgette dupatta. Wear it with a red and green and shine through. But if you want a more subtle combination, then this one's for you. This is again from the same collection that I was showing you, the haldi color. This is a classic ivory color. Classic. So many of you have so many kurtas and so many ivories that we've had over last few years, because for a reason, because they work beautifully with many colors and options. And look at this. So this is a combination that would definitely look nice. This, you can't go wrong with it. This is also something I like, and I hope you guys like it too. So either ways, they look brilliant together. 3,800 per meter. The Sona Rupa up and close for you guys. There is a border here. This is the back. Lining is a must. You must use it. It will last you for a very long time. And this one is in fact men kurta for a wedding, a sherwani. It's brilliant. So these are multi-purpose, many options, many designs, many looks that you can kind of do with it. Now this is the dupatta, the last dupatta that I'm doing in Katan silk. This is a kind of a short session. This is a military deep green color. It's really pretty. I love it because it's so muted. And now you can see that the color red and this look, it's a very, very unique, very different look. And this is of course more maroon, but I wanted to kind of brighten it up and wear it with this, and I hope you guys are going to like it with this. But if not with a red, then worry not, because this is a classic gold combination where you cannot not go wrong. So this dupatta, this pure Katan silk dupatta, 14,800, with this, it's a win-win. You can't go wrong with it. But also with the red, if you like to kind of make it, shout aloud. Yes. So anyways, that was all from me today. Hope you guys had a good time. Thank you for joining in. Bye-bye. See you soon.